All right, so look at this leak. I mean, this is pretty bad. It's been like this for at least 24 to 36 hours now, wetting this whole area. Let me show you what's going on. This line goes under a culvert right here, goes under the driveway, and then back into the ground, and then it goes to the house over there. The problem is, I think this might be a well line. I need to measure this. I think it's an inch outside diameter well line that's connected to PEX over here, but it looks like it goes from a 3/4 inch PEX down to 1/2 inch PEX. And look, we got two like little shark bites in there, just, I don't know, spliced together. There may be more. So I need to dig this whole thing up, do it right so it won't leak. Got an extra piece of PEX here, which is 3/4, and I got some fittings. So I think I'm gonna do it right. Instead of just fixing this and splicing this, I wanna dig the whole thing up, bury the line underground, because we had really cold, a really cold winter, and that line probably froze or got close to freezing because it's above ground. Cold air could get in there, animals could get in there and chew and gnaw on that. Actually, I have seen a skunk in there last year. So let's fix this. Let's pull this whole thing up. Here's some of the fittings I have. All right, so this is the critical one. I believe this is will fit. I hope this will fit that well pipe to a 3/4 inch PEX line, and that's the key piece that I need. And then I have a reducer to go from 3/4 inch down to a 1/2 inch, and then I'll probably just have to clamp these on the well pipe. Let's go ahead and turn this water off. Let's see, it comes all the way under here. Let's see where it is. I think it's over here somewhere. Yeah, okay. So this is where the water comes in the house. Oh man. Okay, that's the main turn off to the house, but there should be another T off here. Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, look. Okay, so this is what we need to turn off. Which way is this gonna go? There we go. All right. And we can pull this up a little bit, see what's going on. We're sawdust. Look at all this sawdust. You know what? This is not sawdust. It's those mother jammers. Look at that. You. Oh, you're gonna go in that hole right there, aren't you? But look at that hole, 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 hole. They must have some sort of elaborate tunnel system up there to create all of this sawdust. Come on, come on, come on. Once. Oh, so close. So close, it wants to. There we go. Come on. Come on. Turn the water back on because my wife is using the water, so let's go check with her to see if I can turn this water off first. Lina, what? Where you at?
It's where you are. Where are you?
Hey, can I turn off the water?
No, I still have to.
Okay, well, I got the water turned off again, so I only got a small window of opportunity to do this until I got to turn it back on. So hopefully I got everything I need. First thing I'm going to do is snip this pipe. Hopefully it is 1 inch well pipe. I just took everything out of here, and I think I finally found it right there. Oh, it's only 1/2 inch. Dang it. Oh, that might, no, that's what I need. 1/2 inch, perfect. Yeah, that's a 1/2 inch. Yeah, okay, that comes off there like that. I gotta wash my hands here. But yeah, I got it out. But yeah, that pipe is definitely not ideal. PEX is much better, I think. Clean my hands off. Let's get this culvert pulled up. Well, let's see if we can see what happened here. This is where it was leaking. Yeah, look at that. That's about to come off right there. There you go. So it was just twisted. Oh, well, there you go. It just comes. Oh, it's broken. It's broken. So I bet you that froze. Yep. This winter got down to -4 Fahrenheit here. I bet you that froze and broke off. All right, so we're gonna fix that. Yeah, that's gonna fit. That's gonna fit well. So I'm gonna jam that in there. And then I got this end 4 3/4. And I'll get rid of as much of this kinked up hose here. You can see, let's see, where did I kink it? See, I kinked it right there when I was pulling it out. It's just nearly flat. I mean, this stuff feels really brittle. So I gotta be real careful with that, I think. That should give me plenty, so I could cut it off back here. Have plenty of room. I think I'm gonna start on this side though. Just go ahead and hook this end up first. We're gonna go from 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch. Now, if you're not familiar with PEX, there's a couple different styles of crimpers. I am using these. I'm gonna go ahead and put this around here. Put this in here like so. There we go. All right. All right. Crimp this on. That's one. And that's two. All right. Let's go do this other side real quick. All right, let's clean this off a little bit. Let's see if we can get this in first. Oh yeah, it's going. Oh, that's gonna be good. That is not going anywhere. It's probably plenty strong. I'm gonna put some Teflon tape on here. I think that's good. All right, this is tough work, but I think I'm halfway done at least, so let's get this knocked out. All right, I've cleaned this trough out and I can't get it any deeper because it's really hard down there. I'm just gonna bury this, and that should be plenty. Probably about 10 inches, I think. And that'll be fine. Better than it was. It was going through the open culvert, open air culvert. We're in Tennessee here, so yeah, even 10 inches is plenty here. Perfect. Okay. All right. What are y'all doing over here? Huh? You taking a dirt bath? Yeah. Oh. Oh. All right. Check this out. Yes. What?
I don't want to get too close.
We won't get too close. You guys are getting warmer.
Next to this tree.
Yeah, can you see it? You can't see it yet?
I think I see it. Oh, I see. I think it's. Wait.
You got it.
We don't get too close. We don't. It's so small.
Look at him.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Nature is awesome. All right, do you guys want to be my filmographer? It's hard to self-film sometimes when I got to move the camera and do all that jazz. I think you'd make a great filmographer.
Well, it's like holding a flashlight. No, it's not. You're good at photography.
All right, let's turn back on this water. Buried this. That looks good there. Oh man, I wasn't even filming. Doggone it. I gotta go close this video out. I gotta redo this. So what I was saying was, I believe I'm done with this project now. I'm gonna get a little bit more gravel. Hopefully smooth it out a little bit more. But I do not believe we have a leak. So thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. It definitely helps the channel up when you hit a thumbs up. So if you haven't done that, I just appreciate you doing that. And I'll catch you on the next one.